More news coming in at this point in time. This is an exclusive photo of Shaheen Shahid while purchasing the Brezza car, one of the three cars recovered by the investigators. The Brezza car was found parked at the Al Falah University. Shaheen buys the Brezza car alongside Dr. Muzammil on your screens at this point in time, and the moment when the car was bought, the very car that was finally retrieved from the Al Falah University, and the plan was to use this car essentially for bombing as well, previously used for recce reasons. A terror car Brezza found parked at the Al Falah University, and these are images of Dr. Shaheen, the very moment when she bought the Brezza car. Shaheen Shahid, while purchasing the Brezza car, had this photo opportunity. Who would think that these were people who were planning to use this car for terror activities? In fact, a simple image of them being handed over the keys. Shreya has accessed that image for us. Shreya, who think that this image was in fact an image of a sinister plan that were to be carried out using the very car that is being mentioned and seen in these pictures right now. Pictures are from a showroom where they picked up this car, isn't it?
Told Sneha that this car was bought on the 25th of September. In the photo, we see both the accused arrested in this particular terror module, Shaheen Shahid and Muzammil. Both of them together had gone to purchase this car, is what we are being told. We also learned from the investigators that this purchase of the car was facilitated via a junior person linked to Shaheen Shahid. So this is an information that we are breaking right now on India Today, a photo that has been exclusively accessed by us, and you can clearly see in that photo how Shaheen Shahid and Muzammil have bought this Brezza car. Remember, this is one of the three cars that have been sourced by the investigators. They've already traced this car. It was found parked in the Al Falah University, and investigators suggest that there was a possibility that these cars were used for a reconnaissance, stockpiling ammonium nitrate, and also in the later part the work was to develop these into vehicle-borne IEDs. So now we clearly understand the modus operandi by how one by one these people who had raised a significant amount of money to the tune of 25 lakh rupees were buying these cars, and the idea was to actually carry out serial blasts. So we've accessed those exclusive photos dated 25th of September when this car was bought by Shaheen Shahid and Muzammil.
That's right. These are images that Shreya has access of the very moment when that car was purchased. They have a photo opportunity there with that car right next to them, accepting the keys while buying this new car. Dr. Shaheen Shahid along with Dr. Muzammil buying the Brezza car at this point in time. Talk to us, Shreya, also taking our viewers back to what this car was eventually used for. The police were on the hunt for this particular car for days together, isn't it?
Car that was also one of the second cars that were hunted down after the red EcoSport, because this is the car that is linked to Shaheen Shahid. Three cars that have been sourced. One, the red EcoSport, which was registered under the name of Umarul Nabi, the Brezza car that we're right now showing, and then another Swift Desire that was also sourced back to Shaheen Shahid, from where that assault rifle was recovered. So it was an entire planning that went within this terror module to purchase cars one by one. And the fact you can see the very vicinity and the proximity of the cars being purchased closer to the date of the blast, you can understand that this was a sinister plan that was developed by this terror module. The entire plan we've already decoded. It was a twin-coded operation D6, and they had intention of carrying out multiple suicide blasts across the country to create mayhem on December 6th, if not a singular blast that they achieved in Delhi 6. So for those reasons, they required these cars. They were purchasing it from sources from where there could be some issues of ownership transfer, because remember, we've broken this down earlier also in the purchase of the i20 car, how they also tried to misuse the chain of ownership transfers, so that if at all their plan gets busted, these cars couldn't be linked back to them directly. Unfortunately, the investigators have zeroed in on all of that, how these cars were purchased, and now we are getting those exclusive photos of Shaheen Shahid, who's also being called one of the members who were also deployed to carry out that entire plan of Jaish-e-Mohammed woman wing in India. She was the one who was being suggested and touted to be the lady mastermind doctor in this terror module. Now it's Shaheen Shahid along with Muzammil, we see, who's buying this car, the Brezza car, that's also been recovered by the investigative agency.